In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to move the taskbar to the top, to the left, to the center, to the right, or to the bottom side of your screen here in your Windows PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Day Settings. Once you click on it, you'll be able to open this window. We're here. You need to navigate to the left pane and find for an option which is called the personalization. Click on it. And at the personalization settings, you need to scroll down and find for an option which is called the taskbar. Okay, so under the taskbar, you'll be able to see a list of the option. Please scroll down on the list and find for taskbar behaviors. Click on this down arrow key here, and there you can see a first option which is taskbar alignment. Click on this down arrow key, and here you'll be able to see a list of choices or alignment where you can set the taskbar with. So for Windows 11, you only have left and center alignment. So if you would like to move your taskbar to the left, you can click on here, left, and eventually you'd be able to move that here. And on the other hand, if you would like to move that to the center, click on this down arrow key and choose for center. In that way, you'd be able to place that at the center. Okay? On the other hand, for Windows 10 PC, you will be having choices for top and bottom or right and left. So all you need to do is you need to navigate to the top if you would like to, and eventually your taskbar would be placed at the top. And if you would like to move that to the right here, right side, you can also select that. You would be able to see an option here, right. In my case, I don't have any because my PC is Windows 11. Okay? So just have to go with the choices here, and once you are satisfied with your taskbar alignment, you can now close this window and you're good to go. Okay? Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.